Once upon a time, in a field full of tall grasses, lived a little mouse, and this mouse had a very big dream. See, all around the field were pebbles, and the mouse wanted to build a house out of them. "I'll collect pebbles," the mouse said, "and I'll make the walls. I'll make the roof. I'll even make a chimney. It will be the most magnificent house in the whole wide world." So the mouse began to gather pebbles, but soon he had a problem. All the pebbles were big and heavy, but the mouse was small and weak. He tried pushing one pebble by itself, but it was too heavy. He pushed two pebbles, but that was even harder. So the mouse sat down on his little behind and cried, "Oh, I wish I had a friend to help me carry these pebbles." Suddenly, a wise old turtle poked his head out from under a leaf. "What's the matter, little mouse?" he asked. The mouse explained to the turtle about his dream house and how he could unpush the pebbles by himself. "That's not very nice," the turtle said. "A friend should help a friend, but I'm already old and slow. Can't help you with your house." The mouse looked around. Sure enough, all the other animals were busy doing their own thing. The birds were flying overhead, the rabbits were hopping through the grass, and the squirrels were scampering up the trees. "It looks like no one can help me," the mouse said sadly. Just then, a kind voice said, "Little mouse, why don't you build your house out of pebbles and sticks? That way it won't be so heavy." The mouse looked up and saw a beautiful white dove sitting on a nearby fence post. "Will you help me carry the pebbles?" the mouse asked. Of course, the dove said, and the two of them began gathering pebbles and sticks. They worked together for many days, and finally they finished the house. It wasn't big or fancy, but it was perfect for a little mouse. The dove helped the mouse move his things into his new home, and then she flew away. As the sun set, the mouse looked out the window of his new house and smiled. He was tired, but he was happy. He had a new house and a friend. And that, my friends, is the end of today's story.